Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix printer icon not showing in devices and printers. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open printer spooler service, change startup type to automatical, click start, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is click start, settings, system, click troubleshoot. Click run under printer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.